Morning guys and girls, Mitch of the Bushcraft here. Today we're going to make some rope with a rope spinner. Stay with me. Okay, the things that you're going to need for this project is some jute twine, a couple of 2-inch penny nails, some leftover paracord, 2 pieces of wood. On here you can see I cut a little slot, put a handle on with a nail going through so it'll swing nice and easily. I'll show you in a moment how that all works. You can see I've put this nail into a dead standing tree. I've tied off one end with just a simple overhand knot. I've looped over the rest with the roll of cord on the floor. And I'm now going to take this loop and walk backwards to my desired length. Okay, now that I've reached my desired length, I'm going to go back to the beginning, cut it off, tie that end onto the nail, and we can start spinning. Okay, now that I've finished preparing that end, I'm going to loop this over the long section of my rope spinner, start spinning clockwise. Get comfortable, you're going to be here for a while. What I'm checking for by dropping the slack in the rope, once the rope starts twisting up on itself, you know you've got the first part done. The next part is what confuses a lot of people. You're going to take your rope, put it back over your rope spinner, creating a loop. You're going to take that loop, connect it to the tree, then we're going to go anti-clockwise. Every couple of spins on your last round, you want to give it a bit of a pull, give it a bit of tension. This helps to set the rope, get a much tighter weave. And when it comes to the ends, you can see I've chopped it off. You've got 2 options. You can either just tie it in a simple overhand knot, or you can take some inner strands from some paracord and do a simple whipping. To do a simple whipping, you take a single strand of your inner paracord, make a little loop, place it on the rope facing towards the running end, and you're going to start wrapping back towards the loop, going nice and tight. The tighter you have it, the better your whipping is going to be. It's about 8 wraps. I'm going to take my other end, pass it through that loop, then your beginning tail end, you're going to pull that loop back inside, tidy it all up, and you've got a simple whipping. I've cleaned up the end, so now what you can do as an additional step is not completely necessary. Just take a lighter and burn off all those ends. Well, I'm Mitch of the Bushcraft. Thank you very much for joining me on this little exercise. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Catch you on the next one.